Hey guys, Old School Custom Ride Raj here. Well, today we're gonna go ahead and do some work on the 79 Malibu, which is Poison Ivy. We're gonna go ahead and get that idle arm put in right now. I already got everything set up, but I started realizing and finding out that some of the bolts are metric. It's kind of weird for this car being as old as it is. I would think that most of the bolts would probably be standard, but that's not the case. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing on that idle arm put onto the Malibu, because it's making like a clunky noise, and I've been having issues with my suspension. So I already checked it. It kind of moves up and down. So we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed, and hopefully everything works out good. So of course we're gonna have to work underneath. I'm gonna have to set up my little baby tripod. Hopefully it works. Go under there. I don't know if you guys can see there. Oh, there it is. So we're gonna work on this right here, get that removed, and hopefully I better get this camera a little bit away, because that ink is just gonna move it. When I decided to take this piece off, I gotta use a fork to remove it, which is this. And we'll start taking that one bolt off. I think this is the first time. So I don't have any issues. I don't want to jinx myself, but if it comes right off, better for us. I was just having issues trying to take that cotter pin off, man. Those things are a pain in the butt. I'm gonna try to get this in there and try to apply it all, see what comes off. Of course, it never works out that way. Oh, that hurt. Like it got in there. It's kind of hard to hit like this. Oh man, we get it. Yeah, came off. Oh, that hurt. And I hit myself twice. Oh, that's not fun. There's no fun in that. Okay. So now we got to do is take the two bolts off the side. Okay, guys. I'm gonna try to get this removed. Got this big old giant extension. I think I'm gonna start on the top one. You guys probably won't be able to see that, but sorry about that, guys. Come on. Last night I decided to spray these things with that rust remover. You know what I mean? Cause I'm guessing this control arm is probably the original one. I need a smaller extension. This is too damn long. The heat being not prepared, man. Be back, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, I got myself a smaller extension. It's a lot easier. There's a lot of dirt. So it takes a while for it to come off. You just gotta be careful that those bolts don't come out, or you don't lose a socket like I just did right now. I can't believe I did that. Damn it. We'll get my magnet. Finally got it out, guys. Always make sure you have yourself one of these magnet things, because if you lose a bolt, you can always try and get it back. Not, you're screwed. I'm not liking this hole being in the way, man. Not liking it. Pushing that bolt back in. Not good. I'm gonna use a smaller ratchet. I think that ratchet I'm using a little too big. One, just gotta be careful not to. Those bolts fall in, I'm screwed. Trying to find you, man. There it is. Come on. Moving on. I'll make sure those bolts don't fall in. I'm trying to jinx myself, but you gotta be careful. I'll leave that one in there. There it is. Oh, this one's way bad. Look at that. Look how loose that thing is. Man, that thing's no good. No good at all. Yep. Look at that. Yeah, that thing's no good no more. It's out of date. What we gotta do is just kind of like turn this one. Might probably go turn it with the vise because the way it's set up. Because it's on like this, you know what I mean? This part has to be straight. Yeah, this gotta go in. So I'm gonna go turn this real quick, guys, with a vise, and then I'll come back and install this. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, guys, I'm back. Finally turned it. See, it has to be straight like that. That goes into the frame. So we're going to get this thing installed slowly, cause like I said, I can't have those bolts fall in. All we gotta do is put that one bolt on and that's it. We're done, guys. Okay. These type of bolts, I kind of like them. The new type, they have that little plastic deal on them. You don't need to put a cotter pin on this. Just put it on there and you're good to go, man. You can if you want to, but it doesn't take none. It won't take none. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I should just put the old one back on. Yeah, I think I'd rather. I got caught up in there anyway, so I'd rather do that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go get some grease, put it on that thread because it's kind of rusted. You probably can't see it too well, but let me go get some grease real quick. Put that on that link, and then we'll put the cotter pin on, and that's it, guys. We're done here. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys. When I got some grease, put on there, and get that bolt back on. We should be good. That's it. Get that tightened up and put that cotter pin back on. I think I might need to get some. I don't know if I have a metric wrench, a flat one, because I don't like this one because look at that, it has that angle. It's kind of hard for me to turn it because I got the balancer in my way. This ain't gonna work. I'm gonna get me that wrench. Okay guys, I found one. See how this was flat? It's a lot easier. Now we can get something going here. Make sure that where that hole's at. I hate that. I have a hard time trying to find that hole. And I gotta do the whole damn thing again, man. Where are you? Stand that like there you go. That's a lot better. Oh, there you are. There you are. Freaking cotter pins. Once they mess up, that's it, man. They don't even work that well anymore. Ain't going nowhere. Okay. Now I'm gonna get some that grease gun, put a little bit of grease on this thing, and that's it, man. We're done. Get that cotter pin so it will move. When it's not in there, it won't lose. We'll get that grease gun. It has grease in it, but I'm gonna put extra just to make sure it's full. I'm going to put some on the one that I got connected to. Oh, come on, get in there. I hate these things. Sometimes they don't lock in. There you go. Oh yeah. She's got some grease. All right, where's that collar? There it is. All right. Hate that. Okay. I'm guessing it's full. Should be. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. These things are hard to come by sometimes. I hate that. They get stuck on there, they get stuck on there. Get a screwdriver. There you go. I hate that. Get my magnet. Everything looks good. As you can see, there's a new one. Light probably too much in the way. Yeah, that's a new control arm. Well, idle arm, put it that way. Came out good. Thumbs up. All right. You see the other one? That was almost bad already. Look at that. Look at that. You can turn it freely, look. See that? It's not supposed to do that. So I'm guessing it's the old one. Out with the old and in with the new. Whew. Haven't done some work like that in a while. I mean, it wasn't too bad. It's just working under these type of conditions. Look, this is what I'm telling you guys. These are the conditions I gotta work on. Freaking rocks. Try putting your knees on that. Look at that, it's already punching holes and everything on my back. Not a good feeling. So either way, guys, today's video was just based on getting that idle arm, and we got it. Cool. Like I said, this car needs a lot of suspension work, but you know, little by little, it's getting done. It's getting done. I need a new power steering, not a pump, but the gearbox. This thing leaks like crazy, man. So I need a new one. So hopefully sooner or later we'll get that fixed. Get that. I'm tired of putting that fluid in there, man. Wasting a lot of money just putting fluid every single time, man. And I gotta be throwing that freaking, look at that. That litter right there, man, because it's always messing up my concrete. Pain in the butt. So I gotta get that fixed too. And we got the new shocks, like I said. We'll go ahead and get that put on soon. We'll get that done soon. Probably another video. Right now I gotta go take the babe out to eat. She probably getting hungry. But either way, guys, today just doing that. Got the idle arm put in and came out good. I'm just glad those bolts didn't fall in. And like I said, I was surprised with the bolts, metric. Like I would have thought, but I guess so. But it is what it is. We just try to figure it out. Lucky I got the tools to do it, because if not, I would have been in a pickle. Either way, guys, I hope you enjoy your day, and I hope you like this video. And thanks for all the people who are following this channel. I appreciate you guys, and we got more videos to come, man. Take it easy, take care, man, and I'll see you soon. Laters.